Backyard Farmer has been in the family for as long as it's been on the air, I think. My mom and dad, Norman and Mary Fry from Lyons, Nebraska, have been watching Backyard Farmer forever.
I watch Backyard Farmer because Titi's on it.
I've been watching Backyard Farmer, it seems like forever. And about 11 years ago, I became a master gardener, and so it helps me watching every week to see what's the current events, what are the current concerns that are going on, and then it helps me as a master gardener when I answer questions that ask the master gardener tables.
Well, I can remember as I was a kid, we watched Backyard Farmer, and Wayne Whitney was always funny. He kept it very interesting. He would have a flip thing where he wrote on the board, okay? And I remember one time they called in and asked what to spray for something. Instead of writing out the word 7, he just wrote the number 7, and they all laughed.
Oh boy, Wayne Whitney, he was a great horticulturist, and he was on the panel, and he had great wit. Sometimes his wit went a little bit too far. I was assistant county agent in Gage County, and we were out looking at horticulture. A nice lady asked us about a little tree right in front of her house, how she should take care of it. And he said, cut it off right where it comes out of the ground. She didn't take that very well, but it was the right answer. And I even got a letter about it, said, don't bring that guy around again.
I started watching Backyard Farmer because of my mom. She always had it on, and we would watch it, I believe, Thursday nights maybe.
Tell me why you like watching Backyard Farmer.
Because I like to see Grandma. We don't watch it every week, but I like the thunder part and the plants and stuff.
I am 60-some odd years, and I remember watching it at home, and now we watch it. I watch it with my husband, so watched it growing up and watch it now. So yeah.
It's a warm fuzzy. It makes you feel good. It's a panel of people that really know what they're talking about from the University of Nebraska in Lincoln. And you find out how smart they all are, and really what they know, what they are talking about.
I've been watching the show since I can remember. I mean, we always had PBS when I lived out on the farm, and I always thought it was cool. The reason why I like it so much now is I feel like I'm learning so much about the plants that are in my yard, and not just weird esoteric stuff that you never see. It's like seeing some of this stuff that I see, I'm like, I know what that is. I know what we need to do for it, and that is cool.
So my wife and I were tending the garden one Friday evening, and we noticed that our rhubarb had went to seed. Saturday morning, we watched Backyard Farmer, and a viewer had sent a picture where their rhubarb had gone to seed. And the answer was there. And you cut the seed off and you discard the seed. We immediately got out of our chairs, went and tended to our garden again, and then sat down and started watching Backyard Farmer again.
I've been watching Backyard Farmer for 20 plus years. I love the show. Kim Todd is so full of great tips, and I love the fun that she has with all the different personalities on the show.
One night we was watching Dennis Farrell, and he was talking about scat. He had about 5 or 6 different pieces of scat in front of him. When he got through talking about it, he picked up one piece and started eating it. He turned around to everybody and says, don't worry about it. He says, I modeled all of this with chocolate. He says, it's perfectly safe to eat.
Yeah, I watch Backyard Farmer every week. I love it because I get to actually practice my plant pathology diagnostic skills. Come on, Lauren, faster. No, Lauren. I'm teasing, of course.
I find the program very informative. The public gets to ask locally their issues and get them answered directly from the professionals that know extensively what to do, what things are, and how to solve problems.
I love Backyard Farmer because they really tell you what to do with certain things. I have asked them things to do about things, and they have told me. And I especially love like Jody and all those people up there. They're just really fun to see.
I like the quiz and the way they just kind of snap fire everything in there, and everyone's trying to answer it, you know. And then once in a while you see the expert go, Well, I'm gonna let this one handle it over here.
I love Backyard Farmer, and I've been watching it probably for 50 years. I mean, I'm in my early 70s, but every week I watch it and really enjoy it.